Feeling stuck lately? Relationships not working out, money slipping through your fingers, or your energy just always low? Maybe it's not you. Maybe it's your home. Let's unlock your home's hidden power with the ancient art of Feng Shui. Hi everyone, welcome to Astro Bhakti with Sandip. Today, I'll share some simple yet powerful Feng Shui tips for beginners that can attract love, wealth, and happiness into your life. This ancient Chinese system is all about balancing the energy, or qi, in your space. And when done right, your home becomes your biggest supporter. Feng Shui means wind and water, two forces of nature that must flow freely. When the energy in your home flows smoothly, it supports health, relationships, and prosperity, but when it's blocked, everything in life feels stuck. Let's fix that. Step 1. Clear the clutter. Mess equals stress. Energy gets trapped in corners, under beds, and behind doors. Start small. Clean your entrance. It's where new energy enters your life. A clean doorway invites fresh opportunities. Next, bring harmony through the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each room needs a mix. Add wooden frames in your living room. Use earthy colors in the kitchen. Place a small water fountain or mirror in the north for career growth. Balance is the key, not excess. Your bed, your sofa, your desk, these hold energy too. Never put your bed under a beam or directly in line with the door, it disturbs sleep. The sofa should face the entrance if possible. Always leave space for energy to flow around your furniture, no crowding. Now let's activate energy with colors and decor. Red is for passion and power, use it carefully. Green brings healing, perfect for bedrooms. Add healthy plants, gentle lighting, and crystals like rose quartz for love or citrine for money. Your space should feel like a sanctuary. These small changes create a big shift in how your home supports you. Try one tip today, and tell me what you feel. Your home is not just where you live, it's where your future begins. Let Feng Shui guide the energy, and let miracles unfold. If you felt connected to this video, give it a like, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more spiritual tools. This is Sandip, your companion on the Astro Bhakti path. May your space bring you peace and prosperity.